Yeah, okay. So see, process 1 joint cost. The joint cost of process 1 is 6,120. But here we know process 1 has 3 products, product A, product B and product C. So here process 1 total cost is 6,120. The total cost is 6,120. But we now need to divide it amongst A, product B, product C. Okay. Similarly, process 2 cost is 3,976. But we need to divide it amongst three products A, B and C, and so on for process 3 also. Now see how we need to do it. Is it visible? The solution part?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we
Yes,
need to,
ma'am.
yes, now we need to do it according to weighted average method, weight. Okay, so we need to take out the ratio of the weights. How we will do it, I'll tell you. See, first of all, how many columns are to be made? Products, pieces, and 3 processes. Products, ABC, number of units will be, which are given, we have to copy down, and process 1, per unit and amount, process 2, per unit and amount, and process 3, per unit and amount. This is how we need to make the columns. Okay, now, product A, how many units are made of product A? 1 lakh units. Product B, 120. Product C, 80. Okay, now see, 1 lakh of product A, 1 lakh 20 of product B, and 80 of product C. Same we have copied down. Now, he says process points are given. Process points. Points means per unit. Per unit is given for process 1, process 2, process 3, and it is given in the bifurcation of A, B and C. So we have a process 1 and then we have ABC. Process 2, we have again ABC. We have process 3, again ABC. So if we look at process 1, only 1. So we have 3 products, ABC. What are the per units of ABC? 4, 5 and 10. Can you see in the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, we have to copy here. Process 1, okay, per unit column. Of A, it is 4. Of B, it is 5. Of C, it is 10. So how we will calculate the amount? Total means amount. Here you have to write amount. So this will be per unit, this will be amount. For process 2, per unit, amount. For process 3, per unit, amount. So how we will calculate amount? Units into CPU. How many number of units are made of A
1 lakh.
into what is per unit?
4.
4.
Process
4
1.
lakh.
For process 1, product
4 lakh.
A, 4 lakh. For process 2, sorry, for process 1, product B,
Piece unit are produced 1 lakh 20,000. Per unit is 5.
very
Total
good,
amount is 6
6
lakhs.
lakhs, very good. And so on for C. C is 80,000. 80,000 is number of units. And the process 1, we have 10 per unit. So 8 lakhs will be our amount. And so on for process 2. See, just see here my per unit for A is 2. 2 into 1 lakh will be 2 lakhs. For process 2, product B, it is 1 per unit. So 1 into 1 lakh 20. Number of units are same for every process. Are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So 1 lakh 20 into 1 is 1 lakh 20. Now C has 80,000 units and per unit is 3. So 80,000 into 3 is 2 lakh 40. And same way is done for process 3. Process 3, we have product A, 2 per unit into 1 lakh, that is 2 lakhs. Process B, we have 1 lakh 20,000 units at the rate 2 per unit, which is 2 lakh 40. And process 3, we have 80,000 units at the rate 3 per unit. So same 2 lakh 40,000 for process 3, product C. Now what we have to do, we have to get the total of amount column. amount. What is the total of first amount column process 1? 4 lakh plus 6 lakhs, 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs plus 8 lakhs, 18 lakhs. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Next we have the total 2 lakhs plus 120 plus 240, 560. And same way for third, it is 6 lakhs 80. Now total is really not important for me. If you guys are getting it, okay. And if you don't get it, that is also okay. What is important for me is weight. Weight of product A, B and C for process 1. Weight of ABC for process 2. Weight of ABC for process 3. So how we need to calculate weight? Based on the amounts. What are the amounts of ABC in the process 1? 4 lakhs, 6 lakhs, 8 lakhs. So after cutting down 5 zeros as in the common figure, 0 is the common figure, common number in all the figures. So we will cut down 2, 4 is to 6 is to 8. Is it clear, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now what we will do? 4 is to 6 is to 8 means 2 is to 3 is to 4. So this is the final ratio. 2 is to 3 is to 4. Next we have 2 lakhs, 1 lakh 20, 2 lakh 40. So 4 zeros are common here. Look here. 2 lakhs. Okay. Next is 1 lakh 20. And the last is 240. Okay. So how many zeros are cut down? 4. 4 zeros are common. So we are left with 20 in the first figure, 12 in the second figure, and 24 in the last figure. Tell me, after cancellation, 20, 12, and 24.
Divide by 4.
Can we cut
Divide by
down
Divide
the
by
4.
short?
4.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
4
Divide
5 are
by
20.
4. 5s are
5.
20,
3s are
3s are 12,
4 3s are 12.
and
6
6s
are.
are 24.
4 6 are 24.
Can we cut down it in a
No,
more
No,
shorter
ma'am,
way?
no.
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 This is the last.
This is the last one. We cannot cut down this short. Okay, so 5 is to 3 is to 6 is our ratio. See, can you see in the solution part 5 is to 3 is to 6?
Yes, ma'am.
Last 2 lakhs, 2 lakh 40, 2 lakh 40. So after cutting down common zeros, we will be left with 20 is to 24 is to 24 after cancellation of all the zeros.
Divide
So
by
divide
4.
by 4. So 5 is to 6 is to 6 will be our final ratio for product C. Sorry, process
Yes.
3. Process 3, we have 5 is to, sorry, 5 is to 6 is to 6. Now, based on these ratios, we will divide our joint cost. First ratio is 2 is to 3 is to 4. Second ratio 5 is to 3 is to 6. And process 3, 5 is to 6 is to 6. So next table, we had made one more table, which is known as statement of joint cost allocation. What I give you heading is calculation of allocation of joint cost. It is one and the same thing. What you need to do, you have to make 5 columns: particulars, ratio, A, B, C. In the particulars column, we need to write process 1, process 2, and process 3 at the third line. Write down the ratios also of process 1. How much it was? 2 is to 3 is to 4. And what was the ratio of process 2? What was the
5
ratio of
is to
process 2?
5 to 3 to 6.
5 to 3 is to 6.
Very good. And what is the ratio of process 3?
5 to
5
6
to
is to
6 to
6.
6.
Now listen very, very, very carefully. What is my joint cost of process 1? 6,120. But process 1 has 3 products A, B and C. So 6,120 has to be divided into 3 products A, B and C. Now did you understand how this table has been made? Is it now clear? Yes or no? Yes, guys, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, sorry, internet connection problem is there. Am I audible now clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
okay. So see, process 1, total cost is 6,120, which is given in the question here. I will show it to you again. 6,120. This is the total cost of process 1. Okay, but process 1 has 3 products A, B and C. So out of 6,120, how much will be for A, how much will be for B and how much will be for C? That we need to divide. So 6,120 has to be divided in the ratio of 2:3:4. Now 2 plus 3 plus 4, how much is the total? How much is the
9.
total? 9.
9.
So put it in the calci
9.
now.
9.
Put it in the calci. 6,120 divide by 9 into 6,120 divide by 9 into, now go on doing. 2 is equals to, what is the answer?
1,360.
Can you see in the table?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. 3 is equals to, yes, 3 is equals to, come on quickly.
2,040.
And
2,040.
equals to, guys, you just have to press 4 is equals to.
2,720.
2,720.
Yes. So these are the figures that are appearing on the screen also. Similarly, you have to do it for process 2. What is the cost of process 2? 3,976 divided by, the ratio is 5:3:6. So what is the total of 5:3:6?
14.
14. So 3,976 divided by 14 into 5 is equals to, tell me, 5 is equals to,
1,420.
very good, 1,420. 3 is equals to, directly 3 equals to,
852.
very good. And what is last? 6 is equals to,
852.
and what is 6 is equals to?
1,704.
1,704.
Yes. And same way for process 3. Process 3 total cost is 1,496. And that has to be divided in the ratio of 5:6:6. So will you be able to complete it now?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah, do it. I'm giving you 2-3 minutes to copy down. Yes, are you done now?
No,
Yes,
ma'am. Just
ma'am.
1 minute.
Okay,
Just
do
1
it,
minute.
do it, do it. Yes, done with this question, weighted average method.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, have you written the solution part?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now same question, we have it, we might have it in unsolved questions. So let us just have a quick view. Yes, we have. So same way you have to solve this question also. See, Sargam Limited furnishes you the following information from which you are required to allocate the joint cost using weighted average cost method. A number of pieces are given for product PQR. This is not prices, this is pieces, means number of units. These are the points which are allocated as process 1, 2 and 3. Okay, for PQNR. And for process 1, 2 and 3, joint cost is already given. So first table, you will be calculating the amounts by multiplying per unit into number of units. You will get amounts. All the amounts has to be added for process 1, 2 and 3. You will get the ratio with the help of those amounts. And after that, next table you have to make for calculation of allocation of joint cost. based on the ratios that were calculated in table number 1. So will you be able to do it in sum number 4?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Do it right now. Do it. I'm giving you time of 5 to 7 minutes. Okay? Do it right now. Yes, let me know once it is done. How much it is done?
Ratio
Ma'am,
calculation हो रहा है
ratio
मैम.
calculation हो
Ratios.
रहा है मैम.
Okay.
Amount
Tell me the ratio of process 1 for PQR.
2:3:4.
Yes.
4.
For process 2,
5
5 to
raised to
3
3
to
raised to
3
6.
to 3.
very good. And for process 3,
5
5
to
raised
6
to
to
6 raised to
6
6.
to
very
6.
good. Now process 1 joint cost is 1240. So this 1240 has to be divided in the ratio of 2:3:4 for product P, Q and R. Similarly, you have to do it for process 2 and 3. Do it quickly. I'm giving you last 2 minutes, okay? Yes, done.
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me,
Yes,
what are the
ma'am.
amounts of process 1? What is the amount?
P का
P का
276.
276.
276.
Q
413.
413.
4.
413.
And for R,
551.
551.
okay. And for process 2P,
282.
282.
282. For process 2 product Q,
169.
169.
169. And for R,
339.
339.
339. Okay. And for process 3 P,
88.
88. Q,
106.
106. And R,
106.
same 106. Okay. Okay. वेरी गुड. चलो बढ़िया. मतलब वेटेड एवरेज कॉस्ट मेथड भी आपका हो गया. Now see, this is contribution method. See, Pentagon Limited furnishes the following information. You guys want break? You guys want break because we are going to continue for next
No, ma'am. करा
half.
दो फटफट करा दो फिर छोड़
नहीं,
दो.
कंटिन्यू
फटफट
मैम.
नहीं, 45
कंटिन्यू.
मिनट्स तो मिनिमम हमको लगेंगे और मिनिमम
बाप
45
रे.
minutes. Yes. So if you guys want break, we can have a break for 10-15 minutes. Have your lunch and come back. Is that okay?
ओके मैम.
आज तो पूरा
Yes,
करना ही
ma'am.
है बच्चा ये चैप्टर. फिर मंडे से हम लोग ऑफलाइन क्लासेस कंडक्ट करेंगे ना, तो फिर ये चैप्टर आधे में रह जाएगा. इसीलिए मैं आपको बोल रही थी, कल भी मैंने आपको बोला था स्ट्रेच करने वाली हूँ मैं. So you guys want break? We can meet after 10 to 15 minutes so that you can have your lunch. Is that okay?
हाँ
We'll
मैम.
meet
हाँ
at
हाँ.
yes,
2:15.
yes,
यस मैम.
This
yes,
is 2 o'clock. We'll meet 2:15. You have your lunch and then we will join after 15 minutes. Is it okay?
yes, ma'am.
यस
Yeah,
मैम.
okay, okay.